Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news will return from our long holiday weekend, with the rest of the world delivering improved economic performances. The Chinese Lantern Festival has ended Chinese New Year celebrations and shows that the feared aggressive surge in infections did not hold back their reopening. Hospitals and health services are swamped, but the relief drove Spring Festival travel and spending. However long this momentum will last is still an open question, and it seems likely the benefits will be spread unevenly across their country. China's big state-owned banks are being co-opted into offering unsecured credit card loans for as low as 3.6% to try and keep the holiday momentum going. And worryingly for China, such lending is nowhere near where it was before the pandemic originally hit in early 2020. Mortgage rate cuts for new house buying are spreading too. And the Private Services PSI survey for China confirmed the official PSI rebound in their services sector for January. In the US, there were positive surprises all over the place over the weekend. The biggest was from their labour market, where the headline gain in non-farm payrolls came in very much higher than anyone expected, up 516,000 in January. That's its best January increase ever. Their unemployment rate is now its lowest since 1969. Also positive in an economics way, wage growth is slowing. Average weekly earnings in January are up 4.7% from a year ago. But the strong American results don't end there. The widely watched ISM Services PMI reported a strong recovery in January, up from a small retreat in December. New order levels were the star here. The January levels report a healthy expansion again and largely confirm the non-farm. And retail sales in Australia fell by 3.9% in December from November, unrevised from the flash data, but reversing the 1.7% rise in the prior month. This was their first decline in retail trade in 2022, following 11 straight monthly rises. Air cargo volumes sagged in December and didn't get back to the 2019 pre-pandemic levels as expected. And if it wasn't for the strong North American gains, the situation would have been a lot worse. China's weakness is still showing up in this activity. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.64%, an up a sharp 12 basis points from this time Saturday. And the price of gold will open today at $1,867 an ounce, and up $5 from Saturday. And oil prices start today little changed, at just under $74 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is now just over $80 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is softer as the greenback surges. It's now at 62.8 US cents, and down another 0.75 cents from Saturday. That's its lowest in a month. Against the Australian dollar, we're slightly firm at 91.5 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're little changed at 58.6 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at 70.5 and down 20 basis points from Saturday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.